Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate a debit card at OfficeMax, follow these step-by-step instructions for activation at their retail location. Step 1. Visit your nearest OfficeMax store during business hours with your new debit card. Step 2. Locate the customer service desk or checkout counter where card services are available. Step 3. Inform the store associate that you need to activate your debit card and provide the card to them. Step 4. The associate may ask for identification to verify your identity, so have your ID ready. Step 5. Provide any additional information requested, such as your phone number or account details. Step 6. The associate will process the activation through their system or guide you through an activation phone call if needed. Step 7. Wait while the activation is completed and confirmed by the store associate or automated system. Step 8. Your debit card is now active and ready to use. Test it by making a small purchase at OfficeMax or checking your balance at an ATM to confirm successful activation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.